First step in mounting the Rangehood and overhead cupboards is marking and framing out the bulkhead. For the bulkhead material, I used 90 by 45 and 10mm gyprock. I had to add extra noggins in the ceiling to be able to adequately fix this and make it strong enough to be able to hang the overhead cupboards. Obviously have the overhead cupboards installed, got a couple of the benches, almost got the finalised heights for the bench top. The oven's height isn't set yet. You can sort of see the layout that we've gone for. So we've got the power in here. And then we'll just have to chop out a hole through the bulkhead into the ceiling and out through a roof vent. Pull this out of the box. So it has removable filters. As you can see, it's twin motor. Just click in there, haven't taken off the protector, the stainless steel protector. So we've got the two fans, high-low with the light, the two LED light strips. Now on the top of the unit it has twin 150mm outlets, and that is a metal drum fan. The flow on these is really good. Time to get the jigsaw out, mark it up, and get it installed. Rangehood's in. Super happy with how it turned out. Now it will come down slightly once we've put that underneath panel under the overhead cupboard. So the buttons will sit down another, I think it's 16mm or 20mm. I'm not sure the exact thickness of the under panel. So it's either 16 or 20. So that will come through slightly further, and these buttons and that stainless will protrude a little bit further. I reckon I still have enough room to be able to put a shelf up here, and I'll actually bring the duct through. Just gives me a little bit of extra storage. Obviously it's quite a big overhead cupboard to not utilise that storage space in there. High, we'll just turn it. It's going to be a little bit louder because I don't have the duct up through the ceiling. But the amount of airflow that's giving is quite significant, so turn that back. On the high setting, for both fans on, it's around 1600 cubic meters. Now I was planning to do a LED light strip underneath the overhead cupboard, but there simply isn't enough room. But I think the light that's being thrown over the Rangehood is pretty ample for cooking, and once we've added in the downlights in the roof, it's going to be enough. So once the cooktop goes down a little bit, we're obviously sitting a little bit high. I haven't set the final height of this yet, so I'm aiming for around minimum 650 clearance to the bottom of the Rangehood. Super happy. Yeah. Until next time.